Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a game project in Xcode. Pick Swift for faster development or Objective-C if you need legacy code. Import your asset catalog now, sprites, sounds, tile maps, and place them in clear folders so you don't hunt later. Once done, configure bundle ID and deployment target, enable capabilities like Game Center if needed, and set device orientation. This gets your project structure and permissions correct before you write gameplay code, so subsequent steps stay focused and repeatable. Now you architect gameplay. Create game scene, player, enemy, and a game controller to manage state. Use a simple MVC or an entity component approach so logic stays modular. Implement input handling, touches or controllers, and wire physics bodies and collision delegates for reliable interactions. Keep the update loop tight and aim for 60 frames per second. Offload heavy tasks to background threads. Use SK actions for animations and add sounds with AV audio or SK audio node. Finally, profile with instruments and optimize hotspots to maintain smooth play. Finish by polishing UI and menu flow. Implement pause, restart, and save /load so players return reliably. Test on several devices and OS versions. Use TestFlight to gather beta feedback and collect crash logs in Xcode for fixes. Once stable, prepare signing, certificates, provisioning profiles, and an App Store Connect record. Archive and validate build, then submit for review or distributed hoc for internal testing. If something breaks, first check device logs and symbolicate crashes. That single tip often reveals the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.